Welcome back, everybody. It's your rehab, and I'm here to help you rehab your injuries. Today we're dealing with shoulder injuries and using gripping. And what you don't want to do is to utilize gripping, because anywhere from the fingertip to the shoulder, you can contract the flexor muscles and it'll actually cause impingement in areas you already have, such as cubital tunnel area and the anterior shoulder. So here you are utilizing gripping I'm using a TheraBand here. And I'm performing shoulder exercises here, or I can perform tricep exercises here. And with cubital tunnel especially, you want to be in a palm up position. And again, what I'm utilizing here is gripping. You can utilize that in the gym, anything with a handle. So this next device here is TheraBand, but utilizing a handle. And again, it is going to cause the same type of trouble where I'm gripping and causing impingement of the cubital tunnel as well as the shoulder and anywhere along the path there, so from fingertip to shoulder. And so the great thing about Flextend is that it does not involve any gripping at all. Put it on, the AC kit attaches to the glove itself, and here I can perform shoulder exercises without any type of gripping at all. And therefore it's not going to impinge anything along the cubital tunnel, the shoulder, the fingers, or the wrist. And with cubital tunnel syndrome, you want to perform palm up elbow extension exercises. So it performs exercises to the lateral head of the deltoid. And so what you want to do here is perform these exercises in order to shift stress and strain away from the medial elbow. And once you build that outside tricep head up, it'll actually relieve pain on the interior medial elbow of the